How can you prepare for AI changes in your career?
You can learn new skills that work alongside technology.
What should you do if AI affects your current job?
You should adapt by improving your digital knowledge.
How might you benefit from AI in your workplace?
You might save time and focus on creative work.
What could you learn to stay valuable in the AI era?
You could learn problem solving, communication, and coding.
Why should you stay updated about AI trends?
You should stay updated to stay competitive in the job market.
How can a student plan for a future with AI?
A student can study subjects that mix tech and creativity.
What will happen to teachers when AI tools grow stronger?
Teachers will use AI to personalize lessons instead of being replaced.
How does the company benefit from AI automation?
A company benefits by reducing costs and improving efficiency.
What can employees do when AI takes routine tasks?
Employees can shift to roles needing human judgment.
How might engineers use AI in their projects?
Engineers might use AI to design, test, and predict results faster.
What happens when a hospital uses AI for diagnosis?
Doctors get quicker and more accurate insights for patients.
Why do some people fear AI replacing jobs?
They fear losing stable income and social value.
How can governments respond to AI job loss?
Governments can create retraining programs and new opportunities.
What does AI mean for factory workers?
It means machines may do repetitive work while humans supervise.
How can designers use AI creatively?
Designers can use AI to generate ideas and speed up work.
What role will AI play in customer service?
AI will handle basic requests while humans solve complex ones.
How might students use AI for learning new skills?
Students might use AI tutors for fast and personalized study.
Why do some experts believe AI creates new jobs?
They believe it builds industries that need new human roles.
How can managers balance humans and AI in teams?
Managers can assign humans to empathy and creativity tasks.
What will AI change in the banking sector?
AI will speed up transactions and detect fraud more effectively.
How does AI influence journalism today?
AI helps analyze data while humans write meaningful stories.
What happens when AI enters agriculture?
Farmers use AI to monitor crops and predict harvests.
How can writers stay relevant with AI writing tools?
Writers can focus on originality, emotion, and human insight.
What kind of jobs are hardest for AI to replace?
Jobs involving empathy, creativity, and ethics are hardest to replace.
How might healthcare evolve through AI?
Healthcare may become faster and more personalized.
What should programmers focus on as AI improves?
They should focus on designing, training, and managing AI systems.
How does AI affect small business owners?
It helps them automate tasks and compete with larger firms.
What can governments teach citizens about AI?
They can teach digital skills and responsible AI use.
How does AI impact artists and musicians?
It gives them tools for new expressions but not human emotion.
What can a company do to protect human jobs?
It can train workers for AI related roles.
How might AI shape future job interviews?
AI may analyze skills and emotions during interviews.
What should universities teach about AI and employment?
They should teach adaptability and technology literacy.
How do robots affect the construction industry?
Robots make construction safer and faster.
What makes AI different from human intelligence in work?
AI learns from data, but humans reason with emotions and ethics.
How can communities adapt to AI-driven economies?
Communities can support innovation and lifelong learning.
What kind of workers will AI never fully replace?
workers who show empathy, creativity, and leadership.
How can startups use AI for growth?
They can use AI for marketing, data analysis, and automation.
What impact will AI have on customer satisfaction?
It can make services faster and more personalized.
How might AI affect the entertainment industry?
AI will create realistic effects and personalized content.
What can parents teach their kids about AI jobs?
They can teach curiosity, ethics, and digital awareness.
How does AI support scientists in research?
AI analyzes complex data and discovers new patterns.
What happens when AI takes over repetitive office work?
Workers can focus on planning and creative tasks
Why is human creativity still important in AI times?
because AI imitates ideas but cannot feel inspiration.
How can nurses use AI in healthcare?
They can use AI to track patients and predict risks.
What does automation mean for delivery workers?
It may shift their jobs toward managing logistics and drones.
How do companies decide which jobs AI should replace?
They analyze cost, efficiency, and ethical impact
Why do some countries invest heavily in AI training?
They want citizens ready for digital transformation.
What might happen if AI replaces too many jobs too fast?
It might cause unemployment and social inequality.
How does AI improve workplace safety?
It predicts risks and handles dangerous tasks.
What makes AI tools valuable for small teams?
They save time and enhance productivity.
How can artists use AI for new inspiration?
They can generate visuals and experiment with styles.
What could schools add to prepare kids for AI careers?
They could add coding, logic, and critical thinking.
How do researchers use AI in medicine?
They use it to discover drugs and track disease patterns.
What will AI do for transportation workers?
It will automate driving and route planning.
How might AI change marketing jobs?
It will personalize ads and analyze customer behavior.
What can leaders do when AI shifts job roles?
Leaders can communicate openly and guide reskilling
Why is emotional intelligence valuable against AI?
because machines cannot truly understand human feelings.
How do HR departments use AI now?
They use it to screen resumes and predict job fits.
What can freelancers gain from using AI tools?
They can increase speed, creativity, and efficiency.
How does AI affect economic growth?
It increases productivity but also changes job patterns.
How can societies make AI fair for all workers?
They can ensure equal access to AI education and jobs.
What happens when AI predicts job trends?
It helps governments plan future employment policies
How can doctors trust AI recommendations?
by verifying results with human expertise.
What role does AI play in law firms?
It helps review contracts and research faster.
How can scientists use AI to explore space?
They use it to analyze data and control robots remotely.